Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vaishali. I'm an architect and interior designer, and on this channel I make videos related to interior designing and architecture. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about the budget for a foyer design. So the foyer design that I'm going to be sharing with you as an example is an actual site. I'm going to show you the exact design, the costing for that, the site pictures, the 3D picture, and also the executed picture. So stay tuned, watch the entire video, and yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So as I told you, I'll actually take you guys along with me on the ongoing site where this is actually getting done. Not to mention, that's my sister's apartment, and I'm going to give you guys the complete details about this foyer design, and I'm sure it is going to give you a very good idea about the foyer design. In general, you'll come to know about a lot of things which can be incorporated for other spaces as well. So this video is going to be super helpful for you, so make sure you do not miss anything, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see similar informative videos related to interior design. Now let's quickly begin with the video. So this site that I'm sharing with you, the work is actually getting done there. By the time I'll upload this video, the site will be done. You'll get to see the completed work on site. So basically it will give you a clear idea of how it's done, what materials are used, what is the costing for the material, and also what are the basic requirements. So first of all, I'll start with the false ceiling. Now since it's a foyer area, the false ceiling is not that big. It is the size of the false ceiling is about 5 to 6 feet, and they had a requirement of just 2 drawers where a normal day-to-day things can be kept, like keys, glasses, and wallet and all those things. Also, we did not just want to do the mirror on the plain wall. We thought to complement the design and everything, we will go with the wallpaper. So the color for the wallpaper that I finally selected for this design is something matching to the brown and rose gold, both rose gold tinted mirror and brown tinted mirror. So I selected something similar in that line, which is really complementing the overall design. This is the final look of the foyer. This is how it is looking, and this is the 3D which we initially finalized for the design. But the wallpaper here is very simple, and I wanted to add some different elements, so that's why I went with this design, this one. So overall it is looking very nice. Now about the hanging light, we do want to add hanging light here. We have given a provision in the ceiling, but because of the COVID situation, we are not able to go out and select the light. So we thought we'll do it later, but hanging light is definitely going to be coming there in the ceiling, which will complete the entire design of the foyer. Now this was all about the design. Now let's talk about the costing of the foyer, how much it costed for this design. So first of all, I'll talk about the mirror paneling. So for mirror paneling, we use 2 colored mirrors, as I've mentioned. One is rose gold tinted mirror and one is brown tinted mirror. Now if you'll see the design, obviously it's round from both the top and the bottom. So, and also there is no framing in the mirror, but there is beveled edges in the mirror, and also there is a plywood in the back side of the mirror. I mean, there is a backing of ply which is pasted on the wall. The mirror is not directly pasted onto the wall because there are chances that it might break or something, because there are 2 drawers also coming. So we thought we'll not go with the framing because it will make it look very busy and heavy. So we thought we'll just go with the mirror with the beveled edges. So that's what we did here. Now you must be thinking why we added 2 colored mirrors and not just single mirror, because we wanted to add a lot of gold and rose gold sort of metal kind of element in the entire house. And anyway, the design is minimal but with bit of contemporary touch, so we wanted to add colors. So that's why we chose 2 mirrors. Now second thing is drawers. Now the material used for the making of the drawer, that is the box, that is commercial ply, but the finish of the drawer is veneer, and also the internal finish of the drawer is laminate. Why we went with the veneer finish on the top is because that is the area where we just, that is the main entrance of the house. So once somebody enters the house, it should look nice. Veneer is something which gives you a very high-end and premium looking finish. That's why we went with veneer. We did not use veneer everywhere in the house, but there are some places where we used veneer and not laminate. So this is one place where we selected veneer finish for the drawers. So I will tell you the costing of mirror paneling, drawers, everything in the end of the video, but here I'm just explaining you what all materials and finishes we have used for this design, so that it gives you a better understanding of the overall design. Third thing is wallpaper. Wallpaper costing, I'll tell you what is the costing of wallpaper. Usually wallpaper comes in 50 feet roll. So one roll usually covers 50 to 52 square feet of area. That's the standard for any wallpaper roll. I'll tell you the prices, it actually varies. So there are a lot of options in wallpaper available. So it totally depends on your budget, which kind of design you want to select. They come in different thicknesses as well. I mean, once you touch the wallpaper, you will get to know if it is good quality, if it is not that very high-end quality. So you'll have to personally touch the wallpaper and feel it, whether it's good or not. Now moving on, next thing that is there is ceiling and flooring. Fall ceiling we already talked about. Flooring we didn't change. Flooring we kept as it is. So these are the 5-6 things which are done in the foyer area. Now if I'll talk about the individual prices of each and every element as per the square feet rates, I'll just share the screenshot. You can check out the prices. So this entirely sums up my overall video. I hope you get an idea of the budget and the costing and material and design and everything with the help of this video. I tried to cover all the points, design aspects, material, costing, finishes, what to do, what not to do, and how you can get the designs done and what material to use. So I hope overall you get a perspective and overall you get an idea how to go about the designs for your foyer. Don't overdo it. Don't do a lot of things in foyer area. Try to keep it as simple as possible and try to keep it as minimal as possible. Just try to add 2-3 good elements like metals. You can add wood, you can add lights. Go with the ceiling. You don't need to change the flooring. Do not add bulky designs in the foyer area. Just like I said, do not add shoe cabinet, shoe console. If you have a bigger foyer, then definitely go with it, but apart from that, go with minimal design, and that should give you a very good foyer design. So I hope you guys like this video and find it informative and helpful. If you did, then do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and for more such informative videos related to interior designing, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And that's it for this video. I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.